Good morning viewers. Today we are going to discuss about subsets of a set. So what is subset? We are going to discuss. Subset. Now we are going to write the definition of subset. A set A is said to be a subset. A set A is said to be a subset of a set B if every element of A is also an element of B, is also an element of B. A set A is said to be a subset of a set B if every element of A is also an element of capital B. That is, A is a subset of B implies if A belongs to if small a belongs to A implies small a belongs to B. A set A is said to be a subset of a set B if every element of A is also an element of B. That is, A is a subset of B if A belongs to A implies A belongs to B. So what does it mean? Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set of natural number. Therefore, every element of A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, must belong to B, and hence A is a subset of B. Now A is a subset of B. This is called, it implies A is a subset of B. A is not a subset. A is not a subset of B. Okay. Actually, these two signs, A is a subset of B and A is not a subset of B, the recognition of these two signs. Now put this or this 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, B, C, D, and the third one is X such that X is an even natural number, X such that X is an even natural number x such that x is an integer, x such that x is an integer. Now put subset sign or not subset. So what should be done here? This is a set 2, 3, 4 containing the elements 2, 3, 4, and this is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to recognize whether the first set is subset of second one. Now 2, 3, 4 belongs to this set, first set, and 2, 3, 4 also belong to the second set, and this is the only reason why the first set is subset of second one. Therefore you put a subset sign between them. Now come to the second point. The first set contains A, B, C, and second set contains B, C, D. A, B, C is the elements of first set, but A, B, C does not belong to B, C belongs to B, C belongs to the second set, but C does not belong to the second one. Therefore this set is not subset of second one. Now put the not subset sign. The third case, x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number, what does it mean? Even natural number, that means 2, 4, 6, 8 and onwards. And the second set is x is an integer. X is an integer, that is integer means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and onwards. One, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and onwards. Now look at the first set. It contains 2, 4, 6, 8 and dot dot, and the second one starting from the endless negative left side contains 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and onwards. Therefore the first elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all these elements belong to the second set 2, 4, 6, 8 and onwards. Every even element 10, 12, every element are belonging to the second one. There is no doubt. Therefore the first set is obviously a subset of second one. So put this sign here. Okay, so this is the definition of subset and some examples of subset. Now examine whether the following statements are true or false. There are some statements. Now we have to check whether they are true or false. They are all related with subsets. The first one is a set that is containing the elements AB is not a subset of BCA. Now if the statement is true or false, you have to check. Look here, A belongs to the second set, B belongs to the second set. Therefore the first set is always a subset of second one. Therefore this statement is wrong. That is false. F. False. Now the second statement, the first one is a set containing A, E, and the second one is X such that X is the vowel of English alphabet. Vowel of English alphabet. Now vowel of English alphabet is a set containing the elements A, E, I, O, U, and the first set is A, comma E. Certainly is a subset of the second one. The first set is certainly a subset of second one, and here it is true. True. Now the third one is A element containing the set A is the element and is a subset of ABC. The first set is a subset of ABC. It is given and it is rightly given because A belongs to second set. That is, you can write here true, and the last one, that is, the first set belongs to the second set. But here some discussion is needed. This is a sign, belong sign cannot be put between two sets. This sign cannot be put between two sets. Between two sets you can put subset sign or not subset or subset sign, anything. But the first A set cannot belong to second set. Okay, you cannot put this sign between two sets. Therefore, this statement is actually technically wrong. So false. Okay, so after this discussion, we are very much aware. We have become very much aware which one is a subset of whether a set is a subset of second set or not. Here A is a set containing some elements 1, 2. Third element is within second bracket 3, 4. This is a set, but this is also an element which belongs to the mother set A. And 5. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Now we have to check which of the following statements are incorrect and why. Look, 3, 4. 3, 4 is a set, is a subset of A. Actually 3, 4 containing this set is an element. So this is a element, this is an element. So as it is a element, this is not a set, it is an element, the sign between them must not any subset sign, because you cannot put any subset sign between them. This is treated as element in this case. In this case, this is an element, therefore an element cannot be a subset of second set. So you can put belong sign. That is, this is incorrect, this is not correct or incorrect. But the second statement is correct. This is an element. In this case, I am again telling you, in this case, this 3, 4 within second bracket is treated as element. An element belongs to set. This is a correct statement. Okay, you cannot put subset sign between an element and a set. The third case, now come to the third one. The element is now in a second bracket. When an element is within a second bracket, it becomes a set. Therefore, and this is also a set, therefore you can put subset sign between two sets. Now you have to check whether the first set is a subset of second set. Yes, this element belongs to A, therefore the first set is always a subset of second one. Therefore this statement is also correct. Now come to the fourth point. 1 belongs to A. Yes, 1 is an element and 1 belongs to A. Therefore this is also a correct statement. Number E, 1 2 5, 1 2 5. Yes, 1 2 5 is a set. 1 2 5 within second bracket is a set, and certainly it is a subset of A. This is a correct statement. Now 1 to 5, this is a set, within second bracket this is a set, belongs to a second set. This is not possible. You cannot put belonging sign or belongs to sign between two sets. Therefore this is an incorrect statement. G, 1 2 3 is a subset of A. Now 1 2 belongs to this set A, but there is no element 3. Actually the element is 3 4 within a bracket. No free element 3. There is no free element 3. Therefore this is a wrong statement. Incorrect. Now this is null set. Null set is a subset of every set. Null set is, or empty set is a subset of every set. Therefore this is correct statement. And the last statement is null set belongs to A. Again you cannot put belongs to sign between two sets. Therefore this is an incorrect statement. Okay, therefore in today's class we have learned about empty set, we have learned about subsets, all about subsets. Today's class is all about subsets. We have checked whether the first set is second subset of second set, and now we have written some statements here, some statement. We have checked whether the statements are correct or incorrect. Now this is all about today's class. In next class we have to learn something more about sets. Now if you like this video, then please like and share and subscribe it, and please press the bell icon to get the notifications of the next classes. Thank you.